चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
इसी से पता चलता है कि मोदी जी के सामने चाहे कितने भी लोग ठहरे, ये उम्मीद से, ये कोशिश से कि उनको दोबारा आने नहीं देंगे, उनके सारे कोशिशों पर पानी फेर गई है। फिर एक बार जनता ने ठान लिया है कि तीसरी बार भी हमें मोदी ही चाहिए। मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में इस देश एनडीए के साथ ऐसे गठबंधन में आ जाएगा कि सारे भगवानों का आशीर्वाद भी उनके ऊपर फूल नौछावर कर कर इस भारत को उज्जवल भारत की ओर लेके जाएगा।
जैसे मैडम ये जीते तो आप
भैया, जीत हर वक्त सबका संगठन के साथ और नेता के साथ मिलकर मिलता है। तो हमारा प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी और उनके साथ जितने भी एनडीए और भाजपा के हमारे सारे एमपी गण ने ठहरे हुए हैं, उनका प्यार जो प्रजा ने मानकर उनके प्रति अपने वोट डाले हैं, ये सारा देश का जीत है और नेतृत्व प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का।
First Prime Minister to get this opportunity, and as he always says, he is a Pradhan Sevak and will continue to work in the interest of the country, nation building being the most important priority, coupled with progressive good governance. I'm glad that the NDA and all its allies have reposed faith in the most charismatic, hardworking, honest Prime Minister we have seen in the history of India. What moral defeat? What moral defeat is Sonia Gandhi talking about? The vote share of the Bharatiya Janata Party stays the same and has increased in so many places. 240 as a number is more than the cumulative performance of the Congress in 3 general elections and is more than the India Alliance and all its ally partners. So I think that they must think about soul searching and moral defeat and accept it with grace, because Prime Minister Modi is going on to create history. Whether it is allies or whether it is global leaders, all of whom have reposed faith in our Vishwa Bandhu Narendra Modi ji. As a country, we as a society realize that the meaning of Vishwa Bandhu is to befriend all our neighbors, befriend all our colleagues, and befriend all the global leaders who want a united path of progress for Bharat. I don't think there is anyone who has been selectively dismissed or disregarded, and as the days go by, you will see the path of progress for Bharat as a superpower in the direction of all economic activity from the 11th economy to the 5th, heading towards the 3rd. I'm glad that Mamata Banerjee has at least conceded her best wishes are for the country, because the best man to conduct the best wishes for the country and for its people is Narendra Modi ji. 3.0 is not just an action mission plan, it is a continuation of good governance, stability and hard work coupled with honesty. So I'm sure for all those critics sitting outside, if they objectively view the NDA and its performance in 3.0, they will give us a certificate of appreciation.